ZAVPU 4341. First of all, it gives me goosebumps to be able to sell such a fantastic handling hen. This hen's father's first baby was 5th, 35th and 7th club 3 weeks in a row for us and our partners. This hen is double line bred to 63390 of Alwyn Bester and the other brother 63384, double line bred. In other words, she's a 4x264. It's a perfect specimen, really. She's got one tail feather, fantastic muscle quality, not big, not small, just perfect medium size, absolute perfect medium size. She's unreal balanced, very well balanced pigeon this. We expect a lot from this line in the near future. The first one, like I said, her father already started breeding top races for us. Look at that magnificent wing. Guys, this is class in one bird. The way she's been bred is very similar to the father of 2nd and 3rd Africa Pro. It's a combination of 63384 and 63390. Various of our clients that we bred this type of matings has reported another 2 wins this year so far for us. Good luck to the buyer. This is absolute class.